Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Qinchengda from Shumatt channel. We specialize in the common rail inject, and each week we have the different videos and the live show on the YouTube and the Facebook account. Today I want to show you some of our product. This is the injector repair kit, and it can be fitted with this fuel injector. Okay, let's check the details first. Okay. Look at this part. On this label, they had the model numbers. Yeah, 630-6003E3. Okay, on this part it's the product name, injector repair kit. Yeah, as you can see, for this kind of packaging bags, if our customers, if you want to design your own logo, your own label, the packaging bags, yes, we Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized services, because we can help you to design this kind of label, the packaging bags, logos, and so on. Yes. Okay, let's open it to see the inside part. Okay. I will go to our fuel injector to show you more. Look at this one. This is a fuel injector. This is a repair kit to fit with. I will open it from this part. Open it. Okay. This is inside. Look at these three tiny, small, cute things. Okay. From these two parts, you can see this is old sealing rings. For our sealing rings, it can be used in these two positions and can be connected with these several parts and connect very tightly and avoid some air, some liquid. So this one is the usage is very widely for our sealing rings, and also in this part you can see this is our isolation skillet. Yes, for this one you can see here. This one is very small and tiny, right? And actually, in the surface of this little stuff, it has 4 empty holes in the surfaces. Because it's very small, so maybe you can't see it clearly. Okay, that's all about our product details. If you want to know more about our product, or if you are not familiar with our product model numbers, you can send us. Yes, we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Actually, maybe some customers curiosity about our product warranties. About our product, we apply you the 6 months warranties. During this time, you can, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. Okay, that's the product we are showing today. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you are interested about our product, if you are interested about our videos, please remember to follow us at the YouTube and Facebook account. Actually, except that we also supply the injector, the repair kit, the nozzle, the pumps, parts for the pumps. Yes, so many items, right? If any items you are interested, remember to follow us at the YouTube account and feel free to contact us. Okay, that's all about today's product details. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.